तो हम लोग वापस आ गए हैं और आज आप हमारे होस्ट का ड्रेस और होस्ट का मनोबल देखकर आप समझ रहे होंगे। होस्ट ने मुझे भी रेड बना दिया, बट एनीवेज दैट वाज आरसीबी's day.
What a match! Like
It was a great match.
what a match!
Good ending to the league
Fun.
stage. Good ending to the league stage, and the most important for me, Rishabh Pant making the century because he is immediately going to London.
Like their batting, LSG का batting अच्छा था. Their problem was the bowling. In my
Nobody was able to take wickets.
That and because batting
start was good.
हमेशा से अच्छा है. Nicholas Pugan is making runs.
हाँ.
Mitchell Marsh is making
Their
runs.
bowling
Pant
is a
was not
weak
making runs. He also made runs.
But if we analyze overall LSG's performance throughout the league, they were in patches. Initially they were playing good. They won 3-4 matches, 2 matches in a row, then here and there. Then suddenly they were off the boil. So they was not a complete package. But they have a good team. They have a good team, and we can definitely see LSG in higher rankings for next year.
And Jitesh Sharma, what
And
an innings! What
मेरे
an
होस्ट मानेगी नहीं।
innings!
आप आरसीबी का पूरा कहानी हमारी होस्ट से सुन लीजिए, क्योंकि उन्होंने अच्छा खेला, वो जीत गए, बट शी विल एक्सप्लेन ईच एंड एवरीथिंग।
जितेश शर्मा लाइक ऐसा लग रहा था कि उसके पास बॉल आ रहा था और छक्का ऐसे ही लग रहा था।
But
Like,
33 ball 85, I think 1 or 2 balls here and there,
no, it's correct, very precise.
and he was the one who was instrumental in winning that match. Otherwise they were lacking behind in first
No,
10
they were
12
not.
overs.
They were almost par.
So they have a well-oiled team. सारे लोग परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं। जितेश शर्मा रन नहीं बना रहा था, उसने भी बना दिया। मयंक अग्रवाल अच्छा रिप्लेसमेंट आ गया है। देवदत्त पडिक्कल,
Like everyone put hands up and like Salt gave a great start.
Salt and Virat plays Virat innings.
Oh, his strike rate was 180.
That is okay for him. But if he would have continued, तो आरसीबी हार
नहीं हारता. Then मयंक अग्रवाल contributed.
मयंक अग्रवाल was playing a partnership game. वो एक रन लेके दे रहा था because जितेश was hitting very clear.
And then we know Jitesh Sharma what he did. So it was great. The only concern I have about RCB is their bowling. I don't know.
They conceded
Hazelwood
230.
and twice, not once. SRH
So-
also and now also.
So
But
that is the biggest
the
point
only
of,
good thing is that Hazelwood is coming.
and their bowlers are not able to deliver the goods.
No,
Earlier
but
in the tournament they were bowling well.
Nuwan Tushara was a good find in my opinion.
नहीं तो आप किसको खिलाएंगे?
मेरे को पता है लिविंगस्टन को बैठा देना
नहीं, अगर
चाहिए.
डेविड को तो लाना ही पड़ेगा। नहीं, he is fit.
लिविंगस्टन को बैठा देना चाहिए. He has not.
नहीं, लिविंगस्टन will automatically get replaced by Tim David.
If he is fit and fine, we don't know any.
I think,
Hazelwood we know he'll play next
तो
match.
नेक्स्ट मैच आज ही है।
मतलब वो आज खेलेगा.
आज हम प्रीव्यू भी करेंगे इनके आरसीबी का।
Hazelwood आज खेलेगा वो मुझे पता है, but I don't know about Tim
So
David.
Hazelwood will come against Tushara, and Tim David should come against
If
Livingston.
Tim David doesn't come, then we could do that is Livingston के जगह we play an extra bowler,
Okay, in the Tushara.
and then if we could, like I think so that would be good. Because
My
we have-
analysis for the day
we have
is,
Krunal Pandya, so
मेरे हिसाब से आज की टीम उनकी, अगर टिम डेविड फिट है तो लिविंगस्टन के जगह टिम डेविड आएगा
नहीं,
और हेजलवुड
कोई
आएगा
चाहिए-
नवान तुषारा।
मेरे को ये चाहिए क्योंकि एक एक्स्ट्रा बॉलर मिल जाता है.
वो आप इम्पैक्ट प्लेयर को ऐसा यूज करिए, बिकॉज
तो किसको बैठाएंगे बाहर? फिल सॉल्ट.
हाँ विंसॉट को निकाल के आप तुषारा को ले आएंगे।
Let's see. Because he bowled well. Like he was the only
But-
one I think who bowled well.
But the number 1 team is playing like number 1. Punjab, all-round performance. Captain is delivering the good.
Tushara.
Opening the young pairs of Priyank
My
Garg
one
and
problem
Prabhshin.
was why did Krunal Pandya not bowl all the four overs? Because was Rishabh Pant in the game?
Rishabh Pant was
That's why
batting throughout the game, and there is a misconception in cricket, left arm bowler can't bowl to left hand batsman. तो इसीलिए उसने बॉलिंग की।
But तुषारा का इकोनॉमी भी होता 6.5 में ही. Like in the match, his economy I think was the best.
Let's see, आज पता चल जाएगा. But my team I have given you, and player to watch out would be again for RCB is my selection is Rajat Patidar. If he fires as Reyes is doing,
I want
You never know.
Hazelwood to be the player of the match. I think
I'm
the
not
ball-
sure Hazelwood is back or
He
not.
will play.
Let's see.
I hope for Allah.
And in terms of Punjab is looking very good.
पर
Looking
पंजाब
solid.
का ये है कि अभी एक मैच हार के आ रहा है तो that
अभी
is-
कहाँ अभी तो जीत कर आ रहे
मुंबई के सामने जीत
हैं। तभी तो वो टॉप कर रहे हैं।
गए।
हमारी को उसको कुछ याद नहीं है, उनके हिसाब से आरसीबी ने जो मैच जीता उस टूर्नामेंट ओवर हो गया। शी इज इन दैट ड्रीम। उन्होंने रिपीट टेलीकास्ट में वो 2 बार मैच देख लिया है और 4 बार हाईलाइट्स देख लिया है, और कितनी बार उसकी रिव्यू आकाश चोपड़ा और क्रिक बस, क्रिक इन्फो, आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी टाइम्स। So she was waiting for this show and I think she should talk. मैं क्यों बात कर रहा हूँ मुझे नहीं पता।
नहीं, like I think the best 2 teams are playing for the first qualifier one. Like the best 2 teams, like all
As per the league standing and as per their
as
playing.
per no, as per their playing.
हाँ, as per their performances.
Because the way Punjab is also playing, no doubt. I think the finals is going to be these 2 only, but let's see.
My call is different. I want Punjab to win. A new team, new
So
franchise,
RCB is also a new
RCB.
team. New franchise तो नहीं है ना पंजाब.
new team, new captain. Sorry, I take my words
New
back.
captain भी तो
Shreyas Iyer has done wonders to all the IPL team. दिल्ली के कैप्टन थे तो उन्होंने फाइनल खिलाया, प्ले ऑफ लेकर गए, KKR को जिताया. He is the unsung hero. If he lifts a cup, due credit will be given to him where it lies. And don't forget about Ponting. That though he is doing a wonderful job. It's a good partnership. And सबसे अच्छी बात पंजाब का या आरसीबी के इंडियन कंटिजेंट्स आर प्लेइंग रियली वेल. इंडिया के यंगस्टर्स भी, प्रभचंद्रन, प्रियांक.
But मेरे को ये लगता है कि their batting is not well experienced.
Who's that?
पंजाब.
No, you have everybody. Shashank Singh
Shashank
comes
is
down the
also
order. Down the order. He's not getting the time to bat.
I am just telling you.
And Josh English, he is a premier Australian
मतलब
batsman.
I think if their first 2 wickets fall, they are in a.
Then you have Shreyas and Josh.
That was my opinion.
Let's see. The
And their
both of them have a.
bowling their bowling is also a bit of.
Nee, today Chahal is back. They rested Chahal because they knew they have qualified. He was not well, but today Chahal is playing.
Wait, I'll just check
And-
their team.
सबसे बड़ी बात 1-2 में आने का, अब हार भी जाओ तो आपको एक चांस और यू हैव अनदर चांस.
Harpreet Brar was bowling.
He is bowling wonderfully well.
Marco Jansen.
They have a good ball. Marco Jansen
They
is,
won't be playing. He won't be playing. He probably has gone.
I don't know. Marco Jansen not playing, then they have somebody else.
Kyle Jemison.
He is a good replacement.
And Arshdeep Singh is also.
Arshdeep is already an Indian premier bowler, both for T20 one day.
One thing I know that they have minimum of 5 uncapped Indian players. 5
Which nobody
uncapped
has.
in their playing 11.
Which nobody
In their
has.
playing
Which
11.
nobody has. No.
Jitesh Sharma.
Jitesh Sharma is a representative India. So that is the plus for Punjab
It
in
could
terms
be a
of.
negative also.
in
Because
terms
they are
of-
not experienced.
Nee,
Like
but
they
they
haven't, they don't know how to like be in the pressure.
We have already played 14 matches.
अरे pressure अलग होता है ना like
Shreyas is there.
final,
He is there as a big
semi-final.
brother. Shreyas is there. He is there as a big
Let's
brother.
see. Yeah,
So-
like Shreyas Iyer is putting out a
What
great
about the other eliminator?
Okay.
That will happen tomorrow at Mulanpur Road.
Mumbai versus GT. So I would like GT because
But
I
I
know Mumbai
think
is
GT is
scary.
off the boil.
I know, but Mumbai is scary to play, so that's why I'd rather have.
GT is off the boil. I think
We should support Shubman Gill. Our
and
test
we are
captain.
supporting, but the problem is there is no Butler, and in last 2-3 matches they are considering 200.
Because their bowling is Rashid
So
Khan.
Rashid Khan is not delivering, and Prasidh Krishna is somehow not looking the same after the break. And Siraj, if he takes wicket up front, otherwise वो बाद में
Mohit
बहुत मार.
Sharma, do they have Mohit Sharma?
No, Mohit Sharma is gone to Delhi. So I think we have covered more or less, and 3 cheers to RCB for
What
just
an
qualifying at number 2.
What are
But-
the chase? What
But
are
the fans are believing that they have won the cup, which I
they get
doubt.
at least 2 chances to
Which I
qualify,
doubt.
so
So let's call off.
let's hope RCB wins.
Bye. We will come.